For creating a purchase list, there's a couple options. The first option is you can copy any item from a work order to the purchase list. To do that, you go to the work order, for example, this replace salt cell work order. And then on the bottom left-hand corner, you click Save and Add to Purchase List. And then to view that purchase list, you go back to the customer list and you click the Global Work Order button on the bottom right-hand corner. This is where you have all the global work orders. Global work orders are any work orders that are not associated with a specific customer account. So here's the item that we just added to the purchase list. And because it was generated from a work order, it has the customer name. Another way to add items to the purchase list is to simply click the plus button here and then click Purchase. And then you can just list multiple items. Another option on the global work order page are miscellaneous notes. Any notes that are not specific to a customer. You click the plus and then click Note. For this example, I'll just say Test Note. The notes are always listed in blue, and purchase list items are always in green. If we add another purchase item, you'll notice that the green purchase items are always listed at the top above any notes. Rather than creating a new purchase item each time, you could just click an existing one and add an item to it. And then back on the customer list page, if you click the current work order filter, then the global work orders are always listed at the top above Route 1. And again, the purchase items are always listed first, and then the note items. After you make the purchase, then you just go back in here and delete each one. If you have any questions or would like to start using the Flowchart app, you can visit our website at flowchartpool.com.